Would you like to be making some extra cash from home while sitting on the sofa? In this video, we are going to show you how you can perform simple and easy tasks that will pay you right now, today. Some of these tasks will pay you all the way up to $25 for only a few minutes. Imagine that, in less than 30 minutes you can earn money just for completing these online simple tasks. And you can perform and be getting paid without needing work experience or a college degree. Does that sound really good to you? If so, keep on watching, and we will let you know how you can be making easy money online today. But, before we begin, welcome to Make Money Girls, where we teach how you can make money online the easy way. Please remember to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we post new videos on how to make money online so you can learn to start creating opportunities and earning money online today. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions or would like for us to post new videos on a new topic, please let us know in the comments down below, and we will do our best to make that video for you. Let's return to our video now. Before we get started, you're going to need a way for you to get your money into your bank. Use the link in the description below to access the PayPal website. When you get to the PayPal sign-up screen, you're going to see two options, business and personal. Let's choose personal. Then beneath it, click on how PayPal works. The next window will bring us to the How PayPal Works Sign Up for Free screen. Click on the blue button. Again, from the two options you will see business and personal. Click beneath personal and you'll see that PayPal is free, secure, and accepted worldwide in most countries. And pays out money in more than 25 different types of currencies and growing. That means that almost whatever money that your country uses, PayPal is available for you. Let's choose sign up for a personal account. This is one of the ways that you can have the funds transferred to your personal account immediately. Let's choose sign up for a personal account and click the blue button. On the next screen it asks, where do you live? So click the drop-down arrow for your country and you'll see a list of all the countries that you can choose from. There are so many. We are going to select the United States and then the blue Get Started button. Enter in your mobile number and click Next. On the following screen you will see a place for you to enter the code that they sent to you. Check your mobile phone for the code and enter it here. It will take you to the next PayPal screen where you can begin completing setting up your PayPal account to receive payments. Remember to enter in your correct full name, address, bank account, routing numbers, and other important information. PayPal is one of the many ways that you can get paid by this website. Remember to support our channel by clicking on the like and subscribe buttons. Now let's take a peek at the website that we're going to be using to make money online and earning points. After you have earned enough points, you can use them to buy stuff from these vendors, or you can transfer converting the points into money. As you can see, they offer you to get paid with rewards and credits that can be used to buy movie tickets, clothing, makeup, meals at restaurants, and even construction supplies. Wow! They have a lot of great stuff that you can earn online starting today. You can choose to convert your points and deposit the funds into your PayPal account. You can cash out as soon as you reach your first $10. And this is great. However, it's not easy to spend. So, for that you can go to our next website called Paxful.com. Click in the description below and create a free Paxful Bitcoin wallet. This is the newest way to shop online and in stores. It is widely accepted online, in retail stores, and you can actually use it to buy cryptocurrency and see its value grow. On the Paxful website, click on the email tab and enter in your email address. Enter in your phone number. Then type in a password that you will remember. Click Create Account and slide the slider box to the right, solving the puzzle. On the next screen, you need to enter in your validation code to activate your account. Then go ahead and link your Paxful Bitcoin wallet to your PayPal account. Congratulations! Now you're on the way to being a world-class entrepreneur using cryptocurrency. Let's go to the website whitesense.com, where we are going to earn extra cash online. This is a global community with many ways for you to earn money. Enter in your email address, password, and click the Join Now button. Then they are going to ask some questions about yourself to help build your account profile. Go ahead and create a username. Be sure to complete your profile summary to get the maximum amount of rewards points for each of the surveys answered. You will need to answer a few questions about yourself. Once that is completed, you will be able to go on to the surveys and start earning money. Verify your email address. At the home screen, let's look at some surveys. Click on Offers. Then Ysense Offers. On this page, if there are offers that you're interested in, you will get sign-up bonus points. Some offers may appear in your account immediately, while others may take a couple of days. However, this website does have a very good reputation for consistently paying out. Next, click on Offers. Then Review. And here you will see different offers that will get you cash back. Remember to support our channel by clicking on the like and subscribe buttons. Now let's click on Surveys and see what surveys are available. As you can see, there is a section for you to complete surveys and to earn cash. The amounts that you will be able to earn, shown on this screen, will vary from as little as 50 cents up to $7.44 and sometimes more, depending upon your individual account profile. And you will notice that once you complete setting up your account profile, your own survey offers may be valued at more than even double these amounts. Of course, there will be more questions for you to answer. That way you will be making more money. And they will continue to offer you more money with each of the questions that you answer. And the great thing about this website is that they will also give you credit for partially completed surveys. Which means that if you even answer only some of the questions, you will still get paid. That is a great thing. Now let's go ahead and start one of the surveys. Click on the highest paying survey. As you can see, there are questions are based upon the user account profile that you have just created. So try to remember your answers as honestly as you can. The questions look pretty easy to me. Just go through them and answer, getting paid for each of the survey questions that you answer. As you go through the surveys, you will notice that you can do these types of surveys anywhere. When you are sitting in the car waiting, or in line at the grocery store, this is great for making some part-time cash. Click on the link in the description below to create your new Ysense.com account and begin to make money wherever you are. Here is another example of just how easy these questions are. By answering these questions, you can be on your way to making more easy money online part-time or every day of the week. Thank you for joining us today on Make Money Girls, where we show you new and creative ways to earn money online. Remember to support our channel by clicking on the like and subscribe buttons.